Over the past few months, the studio has become a playground for some of the most innovative tech products to hit the market. From groundbreaking modular computers and next-generation drones to AI tools and beautifully engineered lifestyle products, the lineup represents just how far design and technology have evolved together. Each of these products stands out not only because of its performance but also because of how seamlessly it blends into everyday life, creativity, and productivity. So let's dive into this exciting lineup that showcases where the future of technology is heading. One of the most fascinating rivals has to be the Framework desktop computer. Framework has long been known for its laptops that let users build, customize, and upgrade them with ease, but this is their first step into desktop territory, and it's a big one. The idea of modular computing has always felt futuristic, yet Framework manages to make it practical. Imagine a powerful computer that you can easily open up, replace parts, and swap out ports for whatever setup you need. That's exactly what this system delivers. The compact 4.5-liter case houses an AMD Ryzen AI Max processor and supports up to 128 GB of RAM, making it ideal for gaming, AI workloads, or creative projects that require serious horsepower. What's impressive is how light and clean the build feels. Even small touches, like the interchangeable front tiles that let you personalize its look, show the company's attention to detail. It's more than a computer, it's a statement about ownership and longevity in tech. Shifting to mobile innovation, the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL is a reminder of why Google's design philosophy continues to stand out. The phone feels like a perfect blend of elegance and performance. With its seamless curves, chrome edges, and refreshing color choices like a smooth teal green, it gives off a sense of calm sophistication. Beyond looks, though, the hardware is a serious upgrade. The 6.8-inch display bursts with brightness, reaching up to 3,300 nits, which makes it a joy to use even in direct sunlight. The new Tensor G5 chip powers the phone, focusing heavily on AI-driven performance for photography, voice recognition, and real-time processing. The triple camera system, a 50-megapixel main, a 48-megapixel wide, and a 48-megapixel telephoto, works with Google's renowned image algorithms to deliver photos that balance detail, color, and depth beautifully. It's not a radical redesign, but rather a polished evolution that proves refinement can be just as exciting as reinvention. For display enthusiasts, the DOS Spectrum Black monitor is one of those products that you immediately notice and can't look away from. Formerly known as Eve, the brand has reinvented itself and produced a monitor that punches well above its price point. With OLED panels available in both 27-inch and 32-inch sizes and a choice of one for 4P or 4000 resolution, this display is all about delivering the deepest blacks and richest colors. The addition of Gorilla Glass gives it a sleek, premium feel while reducing reflections. Its matte version makes long editing sessions easier on the eyes. The monitor supports a 240 Hz refresh rate along with G-Sync and FreeSync, making it equally suitable for both gamers and creators. You can even customize your purchase by choosing whether you want the stand or the built-in hub, ensuring you only pay for what you actually need. It's a perfect example of user-first design thinking. Then comes a completely different kind of product, one that redefines something as simple as staying hydrated. The Okapa bottle might just be the most over-engineered water bottle ever created, and that's what makes it fascinating. It looks playful with its array of color options, but beneath that surface lies some serious innovation. The bottle is made from medical-grade borosilicate glass that resists bacteria and mold, a big improvement over typical bottles that often trap moisture and odors. Its structure includes food-grade polymers that don't absorb flavors, and every component is fully recyclable. The modularity of the design means you can replace individual parts when needed instead of tossing the entire bottle. The silicone seals ensure it's leak-proof, while the anodized aluminum shell adds both durability and sophistication. The push-to-open top feels smooth and secure, complete with a locking mechanism that prevents accidental spills. It's a piece of engineering that transforms a daily necessity into an experience of quality and precision. Next up is Samsung's Galaxy Tab S11, a tablet that delivers both performance and aesthetics in one razor-thin package. Measuring just 5.5 millimeters thick, it's lightweight yet solid, and the 11-inch dynamic AMOLED display is simply breathtaking. The visuals are sharp, fluid, and vivid thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 1600 nits. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chip paired with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and lightning-fast performance whether you're gaming, sketching, or editing photos. It also supports the S Pen and Samsung DeX, making it perfect for productivity on the go. One standout feature is its IP68 rating, offering impressive dust and water resistance, a rarity in tablets. The Galaxy AI features enhance usability further, and if you're already in Samsung's ecosystem, the integration between devices feels seamless. It's the kind of tablet that proves Android devices can easily rival Apple's best when done right. Artificial intelligence is shaping how creators work, and one of the most intriguing tools in that space is GenSpark AI. This isn't just another AI assistant, it's a coordinated system of specialized AI models designed to pick the right tool for the right job automatically. Whether it's doing deep research for a project, designing presentations, or creating visuals, it streamlines the process by orchestrating everything under one platform. For creators and small teams, this means you can handle complex, multi-step projects entirely by yourself. GenSpark's suite includes tools for research, slides, design, and even development. It can manage web projects end-to-end by delegating each step to the most suitable model. The result is a system that saves both time and money while delivering professional quality outcomes. It's a glimpse into the near future where creative efficiency doesn't require a large team, just the right technology. Sound design enthusiasts will instantly appreciate what Bang & Olufsen continues to bring to the world of audio. The Bia Sound Theater and Bia Sound Shape are not just speakers, they're works of art. The Bia Sound Theater, for example, is a soundbar built like no other. It has 12 individual drivers arranged to create an immersive Dolby Atmos experience, with sound projecting from the front, sides, and upward for a full cinematic effect. The design is customizable, allowing you to choose from different aluminum and wood finishes to match your space. The Bia Sound Shape takes a different approach, turning audio into architecture. It's a modular wall-mounted speaker system that can be configured with anywhere from 10 to 40 panels, creating a stunning geometric design that doubles as an acoustic masterpiece. The sound quality is balanced and rich, and it integrates perfectly with the Bang & Olufsen app for multi-room control. Both of these setups prove that luxury audio can be as much about visual design as it is about sound. Photography lovers, on the other hand, have something extraordinary to look forward to with the Hasselblad X2D 2.0C. This flagship camera retains the 100-megapixel medium format sensor from its predecessor but adds critical improvements that make it far more versatile. The new 5-axis stabilization system provides up to 10 stops of compensation, meaning handheld shooting is now practical even in challenging light. It also introduces phase detection autofocus for faster, more reliable focusing, solving one of the biggest complaints about earlier models. The grip feels better, the new joystick makes operation intuitive, and the tilting 3.6-inch screen offers greater flexibility when framing shots. Hasselblad's signature color science remains unmatched, and the newly released 35 to 100mm lens complements the camera beautifully, offering versatility for portraits, landscapes, and street photography. It's the kind of camera that makes you fall in love with the craft of photography all over again. In the sky, DJI's Mavic 4 Pro takes drone technology to an entirely new level. DJI is known for setting the gold standard in aerial photography, but this model pushes boundaries even further. The most exciting new feature is native vertical shooting, enabled by a fully rotating 360-degree gimbal that allows the 100-megapixel for third CMOS sensor to flip seamlessly for 6K vertical video. It's perfect for filmmakers and content creators who need professional quality footage for social platforms. The 28mm main lens delivers stunning clarity, while the other two lenses have been significantly upgraded for consistency across all perspectives. It's built to handle a variety of shooting scenarios, from cinematic landscapes to high-speed tracking, making it one of the most capable drones DJI has ever released. For those constantly working on the go, the Espresso Pro 15-inch display is a revelation. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, it feels durable yet refined, and its minimalist design complements any workspace. The 15.6-inch 4K display produces sharp, color-accurate images with full Adobe RGB coverage and over 1 billion colors. With a brightness of 550 nits, it stays clear and vibrant even in bright environments. The dual USB-C ports with power pass-through make setup effortless, drawing all the power it needs directly from your laptop. Whether you're editing videos, coding, or multitasking across windows, this portable display gives you desktop-level productivity anywhere. It's the perfect companion for anyone who values mobility without sacrificing performance. What ties all these products together is a shared vision of innovation, adaptability, and refinement. Whether it's the modular genius of Frameworks Desktop, the AI-driven intelligence of Genspark, or the sheer craftsmanship of Bang & Olufsen and Hasselblad, each one represents the intersection of creativity and technology. These devices are more than just tools, they're experiences designed to inspire. They remind us that tech doesn't just move forward by adding more power, it evolves by becoming more human, more intuitive, and more beautifully integrated into how we live and create.